Hello viewers, ciao spettatori. I guess you got it right. As I promised, I'm back with my travel vlog on Uncover the Mysterious Secrets of Italy. Make sure to watch my other travel vlogs on some other extraordinary places. My tour of Italy was an incredible adventure filled with stunning landscapes, rich history, and delicious food. I began my walking tour from Piazza della Repubblica or Republic Square. Is a must-visit place in Rome. The square was created in the 19th century during Rome's urban renewal. One of the most impressive features of this site is the Fontana delle Naiadi. It is the home to the Teatro dell'Opera di Roma, one of Italy's premier opera houses. The square is a lively neighborhood with many shops, cafes, and restaurants. The Spanish Steps is one of the most iconic landmarks in Rome. It consists of a grand staircase of 138 steps that lead from the Piazza di Spagna to the Trinità dei Monti church. Steps were built in 18th century. Colosseum is a masterpiece of human ingenuity and architectural prowess. Its grandeur and magnificence inspire awe and wonder amongst visitors, transporting them back in a time of era of gladiators, emperors, and ancient Rome. As a symbol of the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire, the Colosseum continues to fascinate and enthrall the people from all walks of life, reminding us of the incredible achievements of humanity's past. The amphitheater was built during 70 to 80 AD and was commissioned by the Emperor Vespasian as a gift to the Roman people. Palatine Hill is one of the 7 hills of Rome, and it was the site of some of the most important structures in ancient Rome, including palaces of the Emperor Augustus, Tiberius, and Domitian. According to the legend, Palatine Hill is the location where the mythical founders of Rome, Romulus and Remus, were raised by Shivul. Palatine Hill was also the site of important events throughout Roman history, such as the assassination of Julius Caesar. Palatine Hill is known for its beautiful gardens and panoramic views of Rome. Trevi Fountain. In Rome's heart lies a fountain so grand. Its beauty beckons from across the land. Trevi's water flow with ancient lore, a treasure to behold forevermore. next morning, I moved to Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, located within the city of Rome. It is the spiritual and administrative center of the Catholic Church and the home to the Pope, who resides in the Apostolic Palace. I tried to explore the Castle San Angelo and the famous Sistine Chapel or the Vatican Museum. The Castle San Angelo, also known as the Mausoleum of Hadrian, is a historic fortress located in Rome, Italy. Originally built as a mausoleum for the Emperor Hadrian in the 2nd century AD, it later served as a castle and a prison. The Vatican museums are a testament to human creativity, dedication, and passion. As you walk through the halls, you can feel the weight of the history and profound impact of her art on humanity. Every room is a masterpiece. Every piece is a wonder to behold. The sheer beauty of the Sistine Chapel, the majesty of the raffled rooms, and the intricacy of the Vatican Library leave you breathless. It's a place that fills you with a sense of awe, reverence, and gratitude. Welcome to the magical city of Venice, where history, art, and culture become alive amidst a labyrinth of canals and picturesque bridges. The Italian city is known for its stunning architecture, iconic landmarks, and unique transportation system of gondolas that navigate narrow canals. You will explore the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica and Doge's Place, Rialto Bridge, and other architectural wonders that reflect the city's rich cultural heritage. You will also have the opportunity to wander through the charming alleyways, to enjoy the delicious Italian cuisine, and witness the everyday life of Venetian people. Get ready to be swept away by the enchantment of Venice as you embark on your unforgettable journey through the magical city. A gondola ride through the serpentine canals of Venice is a fascinating experience unlike any other. The gentle sway of the boat, the lapping of the water against its tide, and the stunning scenery all combine to create an intimate and unforgettable moment with your loved one. Glide under the ancient bridges, past the elegant plazas, through the secluded waterways, as you soak in the magic of this iconic city. With the warm glow of the sunset casting a golden light over everything, there is no better way to fall in love all over again than on a gondola ride through the Venice canals. On a gondola in Venice's lagoon, gliding on water like a lovely tune, softly singing of romance and love, a journey that fits like a velvet glove. Underneath the bridge of sigh we pass, our love bonds strengthen, hearts in mass. In this city of wonder, we'll forever be a memory of our love on the gondola ride in Venice's sea. Venice is a city of sensory delights, where the beauty of architecture, the tranquility of canals, and the warmth of the people are matched only by the music and the food. The sounds of the accordion, the sounds of the mandolin, and the guitar fill the air, creating a symphony of melodies that touch the soul. A tour of Italy is an unforgettable experience that offers a unique combination of history, art, culture, and cuisine. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the charming canals of Venice, Italy is a country that never fails to amaze its visitors. Stay tuned to my channel to view more amazing videos like this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Take care and bye.